Okay,
there's
I'll
this
stop my imagination. Is that the correct answer?
no,
Would
yeah.
have made this session the best session of my day so far, for sure. Yeah. And you said it was high price, I believe. It had a high price when I bought it. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
hi, Shahid. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm doing very well. Good to see you again. How was your day?
My day was good, ma'am. Yeah,
Awesome.
it has
Good.
been going well. Yeah.
Awesome. So, what was that one? What was the highlight of your day?
My highlight of the day at evening time,
Hmm.
and I talk with my friend, and I do practice with them. I have
Okay.
some friends, so
Hmm.
1 hour I do practice with them. So that
Okay.
is my highlight part of the day.
All right. It's always good to. It's always enjoyable also, right? When you're practicing with your friends.
Absolutely. Yes.
All right. Fine. And what was the topic of discussion today for you guys?
Means we were discussing about do you like means old stuff. Suppose if you have a
Okay.
old stuff, so
Okay.
do you like or not? Means suppose if some old thing we
Yeah.
have it. So sometimes we don't that stuff to give to
Mhm.
anyone. Sometimes
Yes.
our stuff we don't give him to anyone. And we keep that thing all Almira or anywhere.
Yes.
No,
Yes. Yes.
just like a
So
old mobile phone
yeah.
and something. Yeah, this kind of stuff. Yeah,
All right. So the word that for that is hoarding. HOARDING.
holding.
It's called hoarding. We like to hoard stuff, like the old stuff which we can actually give it away to someone. We don't. We just keep piling it on, right? Old mobile phones, old clothes, some
Old
old
clothes.
birthday gifts, and all that. So we just keep piling it on. So that's called as hoarding things.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
So, but
Yeah.
I don't holding clothes.
Hold.
Hold, yeah, but yeah,
Mm.
yeah. So I don't hold the clothes, but
Okay.
some stuff I like.
What are the things that you hoard?
Just like mobile,
Uh-huh.
my old mobile, I like,
Yes.
and I don't sell that mobile. Yeah,
Mhm.
and some
Okay.
purse, you can say purse.
Yes.
Yeah,
Like the wallets?
yeah, wallet. Yes, I like my
Ah, all
old
right.
wallet. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Are they in good condition or are they in battered condition?
That was bad condition, but still I kept.
All right.
I hold
All
it.
right.
Sorry, still I hold it.
Okay. You still held on to it, huh? All right. So I use the word battered. Battered means there is wear and tear, like in a battered
Okay,
condition. BATTERED. Battered condition. All
that
right.
is
But still, you managed to keep it with you.
no, still not. I keep that all Almira, that
Huh?
old stuff, and I at the moment I have fresh wallet, not that
Okay.
wallet.
I understand. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Good.
So do you like your own old stuff? Yeah.
No, no, I don't. If it has any sentimental value, like if it's a gift given to be my best friend or my parents, then I keep it. But rest of the things, I lose it. Okay, it's not about keeping. I just lose my stuff again. So there's no point of them being with me, right? So I just give it away. The old stuff, I don't keep it.
So just like mobile phone and just like
Uh,
another thing is so miss old mobile.
Yeah,
Till now you are using new mobile, okay?
yeah,
Now, so what
yeah.
about old mobile? Have you sell it that mobile?
The old phone, I have not changed my phone many times, very rarely. I'll tell you what happened with my old phones, okay? It got shattered. It just slipped from
Okay.
my mind and the screen guard was okay, but in below the screen was completely shattered and I had to dispose it. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is how I lost my one phone. And the other phone, it got stolen. So I've never
Oh,
had the problem of hoarding stuff because things keep
okay.
getting lost. Yeah. And this is my third phone and I'm very careful with it. I don't want to lose it. So the previous two
Okay.
phones, I hope you understand the condition.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know that. Yeah, but I keep my two mobile.
Yeah.
I buy a total. I in 2013
Mhm.
I bought one mobile, Samsung
Okay.
mobile. So still
Okay.
I have it. And in 2017
Yes.
I bought a Lenovo mobile. Still I
Okay.
have it.
Mm-hmm.
And 2020 now, just now,
Yes.
I
Uh-huh.
I have been using Vivo.
All
It's
right.
that it is I'm using. But all those I keep
Yeah.
that mobile on my almirah. Yeah,
Okay. In my Almira.
in my almirah. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Fine. Do you plan on reselling it? I don't think it has much resale value now, right? I don't think it'll
Yes,
fetch you a decent amount.
absolutely.
Yeah.
That is not reason, but actually just old memory on there, and so that's why I keep that.
Okay. 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 That's
That
so
is
sweet.
also because that I use when I use that mobile, so it that a very high price,
Ah.
so and I love that mobile, so that's why I didn't sell that mobile,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and actually I love my stuff. That's the reason I behind.
Yeah, I can see that clearly.
Yeah,
That's all right. That's good, right? So you have some sort of sentimental value attached to those things and you like to keep them close. Yeah. Good.
absolutely.
Yeah. And you said it was high price, I believe. It had a high price. When I bought it, it had the possession. Like
Yeah.
it possessed a very high price. So you use the word had, not was.
Okay. It
Okay.
had a
A
high
high
price.
price. Yes, yes, correct. Okay. And Shahid, tell me, when are you the most productive? You're productive early in the morning or late at night?
No, at morning time, I think I'm so
Okay.
productive. Yeah.
All right, fine. I'll give you an imaginary situation. Okay. So you
Okay.
are on a cruise trip. You're on a cruise alone. It's a solo trip that you're taking. And in the middle of the night, you hear these alarms ringing off, and they tell you that, sir, there has been a hole in the cruise, and the cruise is about to sink, and everyone has to be evacuated outside. And when you get out, there is so much of chaos everywhere around you. In this kind of a situation, first of all, how will you feel? Like in a crisis, are you able to think clearly when you're in a crisis, or do you need some time to recover
So
when such bad news is given? Yeah.
in that time where in that time where I am, man, I'm
You are in
at
the
that
middle of the
cruise.
ocean. Yeah, you're
Oh,
on that
I'm
cruise.
middle of, okay,
Yeah, the cruise,
okay,
you're on a ship, right? You're on a solo trip. It's a cruise thing,
okay,
and
okay.
you're in the middle of the ocean,
And
and the ship is
outside,
about to sink.
mm-hmm,
Yeah.
sing has been going means sinking.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
in that time, what your question then? So
My question was, whenever such crisis in that kind of a crisis situation, will you be able to think properly, or will you be completely confused? Okay, what should I do? Where should I go? How are you in real life in when there is a crisis?
in that time,
Mhm.
really, I don't know what I do, but I think
Yeah.
I will go to the I
Mhm.
would go to the means who will
Mhm.
who will give good instruction. So I will
Yes.
follow that. I will follow that person
Okay.
instruction, who
Okay.
will in charge on that ship. Yeah,
Yes. Who will be in charge of that ship?
yeah. Who will be in charge o- on that ship? Yeah.
Yeah, all right, perfect. And do you think you will be a part of the rescue team? So everyone is getting evacuated on the tiny boats they are let off. So would you rather just go to a safe place first, or will you also help the people in getting evacuated? Will you work as a part of the rescue team? You can be honest.
Yeah, definitely. I will help those are people first.
Okay.
First, I will help them. Then
Mm-hmm.
after, I will go there. Yeah,
Mm.
definitely.
Okay. So you'll help everybody first, and in the end, you will be rescued.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am.
Okay, well, fine. So in that situation, being able to do this would be great, huh? Because mind stops working, right? So
Absolutely.
yeah, all right.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Here's the one my question, ma'am. Okay, suppose just imagine, ma'am, you are in the sea. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there's a one boat, okay,
Okay.
and you are alone there,
All right.
okay. You are
Yeah.
at that boat, you are alone, and that boat is between the ocean, just like you have
In the
said,
center,
okay,
in the middle of the ocean.
in the middle of the ocean, okay,
Yeah.
and your boat uh, has been what we call, ma'am, sinking, okay.
Yeah. My boat has sunk. Gone.
Yes, okay, and
Okay.
in your boat there's a many hole, water is going on your boat, okay,
Okay.
and you are alone, no
Uh-huh.
one is there, okay.
Okay.
There's no tools, means also there's no
Oh God,
tools,
you're making it so
okay.
tough for me, Shahid. How will I escape? Tell
So,
me.
so that is my question, how will you survive, man?
How will you survive? I think my chances of survival are very, very minimal. It's very
Okay.
minimum chances of survival because you didn't give me any tools also. So probably I'll see if I can see land somewhere, if I can see any seashore. And if I do manage to see it, please don't take it away from me, the seashore. Alright.
There's no seashore, man, okay, you
Okay.
are middle of the ocean, so where you see as long as you see, so there's
Mhm.
only sea, there's no
Okay.
any yeah.
All right. Then I don't know what I'll do. Probably I'll try to swim for as long as possible and try to check if any other boats are coming from other end. There will be fishermen and those kind of people, right, in an ocean. So I'll see if there are any rescue boats or
Ma'am,
fishermen nearby.
as I told you, there's
Yeah.
no any boat, another boat. As long as
Okay.
you see, there's
Mhm.
only sea, no one there and surround you.
Okay.
And one more thing,
Yeah.
on surround you,
Yes.
there's lots of shark also.
There are lots of
Shark.
sharks. Okay. You
Yes.
have you have left me no option. I'll probably say my last prayers, Shahid. That's it. That's all I'm
Oh,
gonna do.
okay, ma'am. Let me repeat my
Yeah.
question. Then again, you
Yeah.
will find that answer. Okay. So just
Okay.
imagine
Okay,
there's
I'll
this.
stop my imagination. Is that the correct answer?
Now you got it.
All right, fine. That is why I was saying just imagine. Oh God, all right. I'll stop your imagination, not mine, yours.
Yeah, I think you also said that same question. I think in that time also I have to give answer. I stop, just imagine.
Oh God, that would have been epic. That would
Yeah.
have made this session the best session of my day so far, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God, that
So
was amazing. Okay,
really,
okay.
you have means the quick answer. You again, I have said you that question. You
Yes,
you you got that answer.
yes,
Just stop
yes.
that image.
Because the first time when you were asking me the question, right, instead of focusing on that imagine part, I was literally visualizing that happening. Okay. Okay, Shahid
Absolutely.
has put me on a boat. He has taken away all the tools. Now he's telling me there are sharks around. I was literally imagining everything, okay, in that
Yes.
situation. So that
Yes.
was the problem there. Okay, fine. Very clever, Shahid. That this is so good.
But you are so clear, man. You got means another time
Yes,
answer.
correct.
Yes,
That's true.
absolutely.
This was actually a very popular message on WhatsApp a couple of years ago. These people
Absolutely.
used to send around these witty messages, right? Yeah, so
Yes,
this was a part of it. I remember. Correct.
absolutely, ma'am. Yeah.
All right, amazing. So if you were in this situation, okay, and you can't stop imagining,
Okay.
if you could add something to your imagination to take you out of this situation, what all would you add to your imagination to get out of this bad situation? You are stranded in the middle of the ocean. Sharks are around you. So I'll also give you sharks.
If you if you will if you will not give me answer, means if you will what we say, ma'am, if you अगर आप इस इमेजिनेशन को हटा देंगे,
Yeah.
how we can say, ma'am,
If
if you
you
remove,
remove
yeah,
this emergent, if you
yeah,
remove
if you
this, yeah.
imagination part,
Uh-huh.
so there's no chance to survive, man.
Okay.
I
You
think,
can, you can add something to the imagination. Like you can add a rescue helicopter or a rescue boat, or you only turn you
okay,
get these supernatural skills to breathe underwater. You can make it interesting. What will you do? How will you survive?
okay. In that time, then
Mhm.
I would use my mobile phone. Then
Okay.
I would call them
Mhm.
who means
Mhm.
I will call them help person,
You
means
call the
who,
helplines.
helpline. Yeah,
Yeah.
I would call the helpline. And
Okay.
definitely he would say to me, I will come there as soon as. Don't be nervous. And then
Okay.
after uh, I will I
Mhm.
will say to myself, okay, don't
Yeah.
worry, Sahid. They
Uh-huh.
will come very soon. Yeah, suddenly I will see that, yeah, they will come. So yeah, then I will say,
Okay, then you will be safe.
then I will be safe. Yeah, man.
All right, amazing. So if you wish, you can even have the ability to breathe underwater, explore a little marine life before you are rescued. So even that could happen.
No, but if miss,
Hmm?
if I will go to the miss in ocean,
Yes.
inside the ocean,
Yeah.
so I don't know how to swim.
Okay. All right. Neither do I, but it's our imagination, right? So you
Okay.
can give yourself that ability.
All right. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Okay. Such a great session, Shai. Thank you so much. I have to say thank you today.
No, ma'am. It's you are so clever. That's why you have given that answer.
Oh God,
Yeah.
you're just I'm flattered. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It is a
Thank you.
lovely conversation with you, and you
Same
have a
here.
good night.
Thank you. Have I can't even say have a great evening because the day is almost done, right? So all I
Yes,
can
yes.
say is good night. Sleep well.
Good night,
That's
ma'am.
all.
Yes, sleep well, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Okay. Bye, Shahid. Take care.
So, take care, ma'am.